Hello.
Someone tell Officer Nay that those aren't giant orange carrots.
Wow, there's an entire show.
That's mine. It's mine, Cookie. Please. Ow. Stop. Stop it.
The orange cat is the most romantic of all the cats.
Fucking go. You wanted to go out, now go. Yeah.
Hello.
Every cat parent morning's basically a surprise episode of Who's Coming Over?
Make yourself at home.
I'm trying to be nice.
You are not going back outside.
This tiny dog's treating Dad like he just walked on stage at a concert.
Hey, you enjoying the parrot, officer? You might as well recruit them, put them on your shoulder and that. Yeah, PC dip.
Together, it makes that sweet, savory kind of combination.
One more time.
That food rolled into one. It looks phenomenal. It tastes great. It's delicious.
Your guest paid for the adjustment.
Squeak, come on. Squeaky, come on.
Hey, I know you're busy, but I just can't resist the urge to give you a hug.
Wasn't 100% sold on a police department community outreach animal. Sometimes you just got to stick your neck out. So we really thought this option was head and shoulders above some that we've seen from our neighboring agencies.
No. Sono i modi!
Every nap is his full body experience. Doggo's been running a whole business from that tiny house. What? With some leftovers.
You got this. Oh, yeah. Man, he is not happy. He is not happy. Looks like he's singing.
You own whatever.
My Belgian pup's got his socks on, ready for a mission.
No.
This happens when your dog thinks you're a chew toy.
No.
Let's grow. What?
Without the camera, we'd never have caught the real thief in 4K. Cats act cool, but this one can't hide the excitement at all.
Little Prince and the man who once said he didn't want dogs.
Oh, he's coming around this way.
I bet the raccoon definitely watched Mission Impossible before this.
Pescoço, pescoço para cima.
Every tumble and flap is a step towards soaring like a pro. Even great flyers start like this.
Get down. We can't see you. Get down. Make it get down. Come on, Lucky. Down, dear. Please down. Misty by
When you don't share a language, a hug connects you best. No doubt, this must be the official off-duty protocol for all police dogs.
Sao go?
我嚟啦！哎呦我操！
Do you want a piece of chicky? Come give a kiss. Give a kiss. Give a kiss.
After a long shift, furry officers need rest, just like their human partners. Move along, citizens. Nothing to see here but bird business.
Here we go. Take a bite of it.
Watch that one flap on the side.
Alright, hold 13, check a bottle.
Come there, yeah, let's go for a ride.
You're one bad mamma jamma.
When you're clumsy and always have to act normal after fails.
Happy birthday to you!
Again.
Patrick, no! You're trying to avoid.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Daniel yard. Daniel yard.
Never boring with her around.
¿De esos dientes de porcelana?
Soy piraña. Están en el Amazonas.
Family.
Yeah. No. They're worse than the big one, dude.
The police dog instinct never truly dies. No privacy allowed on his watch.
What the dog doing?
No! Oh shit! Help! Dig
It melted. A live look outside right now where we do have some.
No, it's not.
What in the hell are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh my goodness, Rover. You're so cute. Why did you grow up? I just put you down for a nap and now your ears are up.
The sound of these waddles is my therapy.
Some find peace in nature. Dad finds it in wagging tails and puppy eyes.
When the suspect's top speed is 45 miles per hour and they don't have a license plate,
Push him! Push him! Push him! Get him, lad!
receiving a 5G signal from a treat bag opened 3 neighborhoods away. All dads indeed go from the no dog to personal flight instructor. Every friend group has these 2 kinds of friends at the pool. Introducing Hide and Sleep, the sheep edition.
Hi Ellie, it's 2 a.m. Do you wanna go out? Yeah? Go show me. Show me. Oh, is that how?
No wonder why babies develop stronger empathy and emotional expression with cats living around since early age. Take notes, guys. This is the only thing a alligator bites gently. Love these pups? Like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
And she'll walk right up. Come on in. Come on in.
Yeah.
Yep. Come on in. Come on in. I'm gonna distract. Girl, I'm trying to get my groceries delivered.
She's brave. Those things are basically feathered dinosaurs with a bad attitude.
Parkour! Michael, parkour!
I never feel the need to speak on drama, but I actually hate that little ginger bitch. I hate her. I hate her.
But this one's proving the opposite.
Pup logic. If the baby gets cuddles, I want double cuddles too.
The way he stomps his little feet is so cute. I'd play fetch all day.
So I wanted to ask you something. Do you want to go? Do you want to go on a walk?
You okay, Jeremy?
They jump. They really jump.
Oh, hold on. Don't panic. Oh, okay.
Buddy, it's me.
What's he doing? He's home.
Oh.
J-Lo and Pitbull if they are Barretts.
Oh!
The sloth's like, hey, I was halfway through my 3-day commute. Put me back.
Easy. Good girl.
Even when annoyed.
From explorer to mama's baby, cubs rely heavily on their mothers for protection.
Oh.
Please take your photograph.
Yes.
People say training is hard.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Love you, puppy. Yeah. Oh, Gypsy.
I bet this one's about to lead a very tiny, very adorable revolution.
Little goat guy. Hey, look at this. Look how cool this car is. Get in the car. Yeah. Come on over here.
Desfracar Campo Verde ya en estos momentos.
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
Un animal silvestre que se encontraba cruzando la vía, pudiendo ser atropellado por.
Rita? Oh my God, are you okay, Pooh?
Hold your horses, baby. Oh, hold on. Your tongue knocked it out of my hand. Now that's about as far as you can make it, Mr. Britches.
What is... Huh? Quack, quack.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Want it? Do you want cheese? You want broccoli?
Nope.
Broccoli?
Nope.
What's going on? Looks like she's officially been claimed by the pack. Nothing says, I care, quite like an octopus wrapping you up in its tentacles.
Derretido Naruma, qué lío que hizo. Ahí está Vinicius, espera Benzema.
Oh my goodness. Ouch! Nay! Nay. I didn't ask for back talk.
Go forth and sin no more, Mr. Bear. Your family is waiting for you.
Bubs. Okay. Come on. Good boy.
Buddy. Dear Diary, the first day this newborn arrives, I lost my own peace.
Careful, I told you.
Bath time? Treated exactly like a vacuum monster attack.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
you do your hair?
My dad did it. My dad did it.
Hello.
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 Legend has it, he's still running to this day.
Nine.
Huh?
For cats, a baby's fuzzy head is the ultimate spot for some quality skinship.